Hi guys, welcome to Learn at Home. I'm Siddharth and I am here with another video of PLC programming series. In our previous videos, we learned about examine if open, examine if close, output energize, output latch, output unlatch, and many other functions like holdings, branchings, output branchings, and if we don't have the same hardware, what we will do. Okay, so in this video, we are going to do something different. We are going to do the simulation. So what simulation we are doing? Just open our exercise. In this exercise, we are going to do a door simulation. For door simulation, what hardware we have? Just check it. Two NO push button we have, one NC type push button, three lamps, two limit switches, and one motor. What function we have to perform inside the PLC? When we press the open push button, door starts opening until it fully opened. The first function is when we press the open push button, door starts opening until it fully opened. And the push button is NO type, normally open type. Okay. And the second function is when we press the close push button, door starts closing until it fully closed. Here the hardware is also same, NO type push button. Okay. Now get back to our simulator. Here I already opened the door simulation. If you don't know how to open it, just go to simulation and then click on door simulation. Your simulation will be open. Now as we always do, insert a rung, then insert our functions. Here we have the open push button and this is the NO type push button. So what we have to use? Here we have to use examine if close. Examine if close, give the address of NO type push button. And now what I have to do? We have to run the motor for opening the door. Motor up, give the address of motor up. What will happen now? When we press the button, motor will run in forward condition and door will open. Okay. लेकिन what we have to do the function continuously until the door will open, completely open. So what we have to do? We have to insert a holding. Let's insert it. A branch inserted, examine if close inserted, give the address of motor to it. Now what will happen? When I press the open push button, this symbol will be true and this output will be true, this holding will be true, and this rung become true, and the motor will run continuously. But what happened after the door is completely opened? Let's check it out. Download the program, run the program, and click on open. Now door is opening. Our function is good. But what happened after the complete function? Motor is burned. Why? Because motor is continuously running after opening the gate. Motor will run. So here comes the safety function. We are using limit switches for safety function. So what we have to do, we have to use our limit switches. Here are two limit switches. Now the limit switch condition is activated. Why? Because the door is here. Where the door is present, the limit switch is activated. If we close the door, the limit switch will be activated. Let's check it out. Now I have to insert examine if close and give the address of the limit switch. Why we use the examine if close? Because the input is already high and we are using examine if close. This means this condition will be true after downloading. Okay, let's check it. I download it and run it. Okay, this condition is true because the limit switch is operated and input is high, so the limit switch, this circuit will be true after pressing the open push button. Door is opening. Now when the door is completely open, limit switch is operated and the circuit will become false. This rung become false. Now the second function is we have to press the close push button and the door will close. Use the same circuit. We are using a examine if close and output and holding. Okay, give the addresses, close address to it, motor down address to this output, motor down address for holding. Now for the safety function, what we have to use? Examine if open or examine if close. Because the door is fully opened, this limit switch is deoperated. It means our input is 0. If input is 0 and we want the true condition, we have to use the examine if open. So we are using here examine if open for this limit switch. Let's download it, run it. Here you can see this condition is already true. Now when I press the close push button, door starts closing. When the door is completely closed, our limit switch will be operated. As you can see, limit switch is operated and our rung is false. Now when we click the open, it is opening. Okay, and when we press the close push button, it is closing. That's all for this exercise. You can download the exercise from my Telegram channel. Link is given inside the description. And in the below comment section, please comment by doing yourself if you are able to do this or not. If there is any problem, you can comment in the comment section, and we will complete this door simulation in our next video. So subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. Whenever I upload the next video for this simulation, you will be notified. Thank you so much guys, love you.